All right, let's go over this this pump. So taking the boat out of the water this year. So it's the end of the season. It's October. I'm not gonna get back in the water because I don't like it cold, I like it warm. So every year I do the same thing. When I winterize, I pull the pump out of our boat. And not only do I pull the pump, I take the physical impeller system out and give it a good inspection. So what I want to show you guys is that, I don't know if you can, if you looking at this pump, you're thinking, oh man, hey, everything looks like it's going well, but until you see that right there, right? See, this little vein is a lot different, something's missing. Well, look at that, okay? So you wouldn't notice that one until you spin it around and you see it like that, because once it pops back, it's gonna look like there's no big deal, right? So this pump is about 15 bucks. I have a spare one I keep in my toolbox. $15 part, could cost you thousands if you're not paying attention. So I always take it out every year, take the impeller out, and then what's it's gonna do is gonna spring back like this one, and then because you don't want it all jammed up in there like that all season, it's just gonna get nasty on you and it's gonna crack. So they gotta be pliable. So even if there's nothing wrong with it, take it out, let it flex back, then beginning of the season, put it back in. So I'm gonna try to take this thing out. Oops. Alright. So there, I've got the impeller out. So as you can tell, see, it's kind of bent already because it has to fit in this housing. So every year you would take it like that and you would check all those veins and make sure that there's nothing cracked in it. So you would see that crack, right? You would see that crack, and then once you start seeing that stuff like that, replace it. So I mean, that's imminent pump failure. And typically you won't see them, those little things that come out of them. You can't see it in here, but it's right down there. Yeah, you can barely see it, right? Typically you wouldn't know. I happen to see this one because it actually was at the very top. So I could get down in there and see it. Let's see if I can get my pliers. Get another pair of needle nose. Get down there and get it. Maybe. No, there it is. And that's it. So what happens when the pump fails? All these things end up going in there and they get into your system, right? So one of those is the intake side, and one is the outtake, or intake, and it goes through the circulating system of your engine. All these things get jammed up in there, man. It cause all kinds of problems. So, like I said, $15 part. Always take it out and inspect it every year. All right. That's the thousands of dollar boating safety tip that I can give you.